So this is the kitchen utensil set that's made out of silicone that we put in to stock up all our new Airbnb rentals. And one thing I like is the fact that they are silicone and stainless steel. That's what we're looking for because it's going to be more scratch resistant. It's going to save our pots that we put in all of our properties. The stainless steel is protected from melting as well as the silicone. We did not want plastic stuff to go in all of our Airbnbs. And we're just really pleased with the sheer amount of tools that came in this kit. I feel like it was definitely worth what we spent on it. This isn't even everything. I will note that it did not come with this. This was an upgrade, but you can see just how many utensils are right here next to the cooking area. And a lot of this came in there as well, including all of these, the ice cream scoop and the peelers and the bottle opener and the pizza cutter. So although it has not been used yet, I feel like this was the easiest and quickest way to stock up our Airbnb rentals so we can get them ready to rent as soon as possible, and we are pretty pleased with our purchase.